Alright, good morning everybody. We're out here in Scottsdale, Arizona for the Bear Jackson. A few cars coming to Unique Specialty and Classics in Mankato, Minnesota. You can see more information and pictures of these cars very soon. They're on their way today back to our dealership. This is a 1965 Mustang Fastback, 289 4-speed air-conditioned car. Very, very solid Arizona car. Here we have a 1971 Cutlass factory AC car, bucket seat car. Very, very straight, solid vehicle. This one we bought at Bear Jackson, 1957 Chevy 4-door Wagon, 283 automatic car. And then we got an 88 Cutlass, 29,000 actual miles. There's also a 1971 El Camino coming up to our dealership that we purchased down here. There are more cars to come. We are down in Scottsdale, Arizona, having a blast, trying to get more cars for you to check out and enjoy. Thanks for looking. If you have any questions, you can call 507-386-1726 or go to uniqueclassiccars.com and to see the rest of our inventory. Thanks for looking.